So hi guys, a very good evening. This is me, Jasleen Kappani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm the Corn Design. It's nothing to do with my company and me. It's to do with individuals like me. So it's a weekend, and as you can see, I'm kind of back at my with my workout and stuff. Of course, I've been keeping up with my exercise in my personal spaces and with my other walk and my golf and stuff and all that. But today, being the Sunday, I thought I'm going to do an extra one, or maybe set the tone for the weekend stuff. Now, what do I have to share here? What I have to share here is that, if you're having any trouble sleeping, if you're having any trouble, sleeping well because of whatever reasons, you're overexerted, overtired, you're under, exercised or whatever, what you need to do is you need to work out, you need to exercise or get walking. Because what happens is, there are two reasons, okay? One is either you're overexercised, so you're not able to sleep. The other reason is you're under-exercised, so you're not able to sleep. In other terms, when you're low in energy, then you're not able to sleep. When you're high in energy, you're not able to sleep, okay? So then you need to kind of channelize your energy and focus it and streamline it. And you can only do that by staying active. And being active doesn't mean that we are supermen and superwomen, that we are going to be forever on our toes. Office में भी काम कर रहे हैं, घर में भी काम कर रहे हैं और सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. The thing is this, that just make about half an hour, 45 minutes of a quality exercise. That's all you need to do. Depends on what stage you are, what age you are. If you're in Bollywood, Hollywood, the modern material world, the TV world or whatever, then your workouts and your exercise is very different. But if you're like regular people, or if you're in the professional world and your careers and business and stuff, then your workout times are going to be different and stuff. Always a good idea if you're focusing on reducing and stuff to work out in the afternoon. That's where your hormone for reduction works the best, the weight loss and stuff. But if you're not able to do it, it's okay. Stay on a consistent workout and stuff. Include coffee and healthy beverages to your diets and stuff. You don't need to go on to, all these protein shakes and stuff and all that, because in the long run, you have definitely repercussions and stuff. I'm not saying all of them are adulterated and stuff, but many of them are not that great for you and stuff, unless and until you've researched them well and you've not been, guided, or you're not mentored by people who know about those really very well. Avoid using those and stuff, okay? Very important, most important is to shift your focus or deviate your focus from weight loss to strength, because at any age, at any stage and stuff, stiffness and injury can happen, or, cramps can happen, or, anything can happen. So very important to kind of focus on having stronger bones, stronger back, stronger bums, stronger stomach, stronger legs, stronger shoulders. And injury can happen at any age. One can fall at any age. If you're in sports, always a good idea to kind of, work on both weight loss and strengthening yourself and stuff. Very simple and easy, okay? And of course, for those who are in long working hours and stuff like that, always a good idea to take breaks and to walk every 2 hours, 3 hours. Take a break, walk, and always a good idea to soak up some fresh air, walk out in nature, and keep yourself hydrated. Drink about 8 to 9 glasses of water. Include coffee, include chai, and include green tea in your diet and stuff. And then of course you can have the regular diet, whatever you've been given by your dietitian or whatever you follow and stuff. So love and luck, and take care, have fun and have a blast. And I'm sure this is going to help you and work. I hope this has gotten recorded, what I'm sharing live. Bye-bye.